One of the key benefits of using a cloud telephony platform is that you can manage your telephony from anywhere and at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. I'm going to show you how you can use RingCentral Office from a manager's perspective to keep track on a team and complete any changes or even training from anywhere. As a manager, I may be very used to being able to manage all of my team from within the same room or at least the same office. But what about when my team is remote? I'm going to show you how I can continue to manage a team remotely through the RingCentral admin portal, softphone, and RingCentral app. Mary Shelley is the manager of a team at my business. Here you can see Mary's admin portal. She has an overview here of the members of her team. If she goes in to view the call log here, she can see the call log for each member of her team and also access any call recordings they may have. She can also access analytics for her team by going up here. Here she can drill down into a number of different KPIs and look at different dates or even different times. Performance reports are accurate up to an hour, so I can see here quite granular detail on the calls my team have been making. Mary can also design a report for her team and set up a subscription so she automatically has a report, for example, on the previous day, coming through to her inbox every morning. I've been through some of the things which can help a manager to manage a team remotely from the admin portal, but I also want to show some softphone features which can help with remote management. In the softphone, I want to focus on the heads-up display here. So Mary has monitoring set up here, so not only can she see any calls that are coming through to her team, she can also monitor these calls. This can be really useful for training purposes. She can also whisper or barge in on any call that she's monitoring. I can see here that Agatha is having a call come through. I do actually have the rights to pick up the call for her, but I'm not going to do that now. So now I can see that she has answered the call, and I have the ability to click to monitor her call. When I click here, neither Agatha nor the other person on the line will hear any indication that I have joined. I can just listen in, and if I speak, neither of them would be able to hear anything. This kind of feature can be really useful for training. We can take the example that Agatha is very new to our organization. I'm just listening in to check how her calls are going. Let's say Agatha is on a call with an unhappy customer and I can tell she's struggling a bit. So I can click to whisper to Agatha and give her some coaching on what to say. Agatha will then be able to hear me, but the customer cannot. I also have the option to barge in, so both Agatha and I will be in the call together with the customer, or I can completely take over the call. In addition to managing my team using my admin portal and the softphone, the RingCentral app can also help Mary to manage her team better remotely. Here is her team page. Up here I have an overview of my team's presence. We can communicate through here and share files. If any members of my team have any questions, they can be shared and we can work on them together within this space. In addition to this, we can also start ad hoc meetings from here. Being able to collaborate within this team space and easily jump onto video calls with team members, either all together or individually, is really valuable for working together remotely as a team. Thank you for watching. I hope you've been able to see some of the benefits of using RingCentral to manage your team from anywhere.